Hi y'all, today I'm going to be checking on my 3D printed mosquito trap. The way this is supposed to work is that when it rains, it collects water, funnels it in here, and that triggers the mosquito eggs to hatch, and then they get trapped into the mesh and can't escape. There are some mosquito larvae in here. Yeah, you can see one wiggling around, but you can see this mesh, because of the way that it was designed, it got broken down by the rain and it went underneath the water. So I can pull this out, you can see the little mosquito larvae there, and you can see this happened to the mesh, which is not good. So this original design, the idea was, let me fish this out, you have this mesh that is held in between two rings by these little pegs, and the pegs just don't stay together. So my newest design is to hold the mesh in using a screw function. And this seems to be more stable. The one problem is that in this current iteration, I made a little design mistake, and it doesn't float super well the way it's supposed to be. It was designed to float like this, where there's a little bit of something you can grab onto. Oh, and I did not give enough clearance. Oh no. The failures of 3D printing. How was I so foolish as to forget to add the clearance? Back to the drawing board. But for the meantime, at the very least, this mesh screen will prevent any mosquitoes from escaping. Yeah, I'll have to keep working on this.